Crystal Reports enables you to create crosstabs, to display the intersections between types of data. In this tutorial, you will use the Crosstab Expert to create a crosstab that displays the quantity of each product class that has been sold in each country. Note that this tutorial was recorded using SAP Crystal Reports 2011, version 14.0.0.760. To navigate, use the viewer controls or follow the on-screen instructions, if available. Start by adding the crosstab object to the report header. Note that crosstabs can only be added to the report or page header or footer, not to the details section. Click Insert Crosstab. Click in the report header section. Next, launch the Crosstab Expert. Click Format. Select Crosstab Expert. Select the appropriate field for each component of the crosstab. Click to scroll down. Select Country. Click the right arrow. Click plus to expand Product. Select Product Class. Click the right arrow. Click plus to expand Orders Detail. Select Quantity. Click the right arrow. Note that you can change the type of summary displayed in the crosstab. Click Change Summary. Click the Calculate the Summary list. Select Sum. Click OK. Click OK. Change the formatting of the crosstab to show only whole numbers. Press Ctrl and click to select the cell. 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 Click Format. Select Format Objects. Click the Number tab. Select -1123. Click OK. Preview the report to see the results. Click the Preview tab. Click to scroll down. You have successfully created a crosstab using the Crosstab Expert. This is the end of the tutorial.